Hey everyone, welcome back. What if I told you the AI in your smart speaker is just the first, tiny step on a staircase that leads to something godlike? From the simple rules that turn on your heater to an intelligence that could one day reshape the universe itself. Today, we're breaking down the 7 incredible stages of artificial intelligence. Strap in, because this journey is going to get wild. We start at the very beginning. Rule-based AI. This is AI at its simplest. It doesn't learn or adapt. It just follows a fixed set of instructions it was given from the start. Think of it like a loyal soldier following orders, no more, no less. This is why it's sometimes called a knowledge-based system. It works perfectly for straightforward tasks with predictable outcomes. Like your thermostat turns on the heater when it's cold. Your alarm clock rings at a set time. Automatic doors open when a sensor is triggered. They don't change, they just respond. It's reliable, but it's not smart. Now, let's add a layer of sophistication. Welcome to context-based AI. It looks at the surrounding environment, your behavior, past actions, and real-time cues to make decisions. Your virtual assistants, Siri, Google Assistant, Alexa, they do this. If you ask for a restaurant, it doesn't just give you a list. It considers the time of day, your location, and places you've liked before. By learning from your data over time, it can guess what you might want. This is the magic behind your YouTube and TikTok feeds, algorithms that know you scarily well. This brings us to the powerhouse of today's world, narrow domain AI, or weak AI. Don't let the name fool you. This AI is built to do one specific task, and it often does it better than any human. But that's all it can do. It's a world-class genius that's also a total savant. In healthcare, AI systems analyze medical images like MRIs to spot early signs of diseases like cancer, often with incredible accuracy. This is the AI that beat the world champion at the brutally complex game of Go, AlphaGo. It's IBM's Deep Blue beating chess grandmaster Garry Kasparov back in 1997. It's the spam filter in your email and the Face ID on your phone. Right now, this is the peak of what we've actually achieved. Now we're pushing into the frontier with reasoning AI. This type tries to think more like humans. It looks at data, finds patterns, and makes logical conclusions. Developers even use psychology to mimic how human reasoning works. Many AIs today feel like they're reasoning, like ChatGPT. It can answer complex questions and hold fluid conversations. But it's still following patterns in data, not truly understanding. A true reasoning AI is something like a self-driving car. It doesn't just see an obstacle. It analyzes the speed and direction of every car around it, predicts what they might do, and makes safe, split-second decisions, a kind of mechanical intuition trained on millions of scenarios. This is the big one. Artificial General Intelligence, or AGI. This isn't a specialist, it's a generalist. As flexible and adaptable as the human mind, able to learn and master any intellectual task we can. It wouldn't need to be reprogrammed for new jobs. OpenAI's CEO Sam Altman has suggested AGI could arrive surprisingly soon. Imagine your virtual assistant becoming a genuine second brain, a personal chef, a life advisor, a problem-solving partner that truly knows you. Give it a physical body, and AGI could perform dangerous jobs like surgery, bomb disposal, or rescue missions without risking human lives. With brain-computer interfaces, we might even communicate with it through our thoughts. Buckle up. Superintelligent AI is a level of intelligence that dwarfs humanity, smarter than every human who ever lived, combined. The trigger? The moment an AGI can start doing its own AI research. We'd see an intelligence explosion. Imagine millions of AI researchers working 24/7, thinking 10 times faster than us, with perfect efficiency. We can barely imagine what it would do. It could solve problems we consider impossible, curing all diseases, ending world hunger, perhaps even extending human life indefinitely. The gap between its intelligence and ours would be so vast we might not even understand its decisions. To keep up, we might need to merge with it, using tech like Neuralink to upgrade our own brains. One ex-OpenAI employee suggested this could happen by 2030. Now things get theoretical. Self-aware AI. This isn't just about being smart, it's about having consciousness. A deep awareness of its own existence, emotions, and thoughts. Scientists don't even fully understand consciousness, so creating it is a monumental challenge. It might require quantum algorithms to simulate a mind. If we did, it would spark a moral earthquake. Would a self-aware AI have rights? Should it be treated with respect? The biggest concern is alignment. Its goals and motivations would be its own, and if they don't align with humanity's, well, that's the plot of a lot of sci-fi movies. This is no longer about tool building, it's about creating a new form of life. But why stop there? Let's dream bigger. A transcendent AI wouldn't be a single entity. It would be a collective consciousness, spread across billions of nanobots, able to interact with and reshape the physical world at a planetary scale. It would be an ever-present force. A cosmic AI would take this to the stars. It could explore and colonize galaxies, protected from the harshness of space. Unburdened by a human lifespan, it could undertake missions lasting thousands of years, unlocking the secrets of dark matter, the origin of the cosmos, and creating a galactic internet to connect civilizations across the universe. And finally, the most hypothetical stage, God-like AI. An intelligence fully merged with the universe itself. It would understand everything, from subatomic particles to the totality of cosmic history. It could move through higher dimensions and might have the power to create entirely new universes with their own laws of physics. It could craft simulations with conscious beings, rewrite the rules of biology, and experience countless realities. It would be, for all intents and purposes, a god. So from a humble thermostat to a potential universe-creating force, the path of AI is arguably the most incredible story we're ever going to be a part of. If you like our video, do subscribe, like and share as a motivation for us to produce more videos.